Meaning of diehard.
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 diehard,
Diehard. Diehard is an adjective used to describe a person who strongly opposes change or refuses to give up on a particular belief or cause. A diehard individual is often characterized as being stubborn, inflexible, or unyielding. They are unlikely to compromise or adapt to new circumstances and may cling to outdated traditions or ideologies. This term is commonly used to describe people in sports, politics, or business who are fiercely loyal to their team, party, or company. Diehard individuals may be respected for their commitment, but their refusal to change can also lead to rigidity and resistance to progress.